Keep on stirring, Luke. Keep on stirring. Good. Using your muscles. Yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Using your muscles. What are you doing, Luke? Are you making your cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making it will be that cake.
Yeah. What kind of cake is it? What flavor?
Chocolate.
That's not chocolate. What's that? Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla.
So it's chocolate.
That's for Michael, that's right.
And Dad.
And Dad, yeah. Lukey's is vanilla.
And Mama's.
And Mama's too, that's right.
And
Lukey,
then
how old are you?
3.
3, that's right. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Lukey was born at 9:20, so he's officially 3. You're officially 3, Luke. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.